Alright, so all you gotta do is take off that plastic piece. There's just this 8mm, and then there's this 10, this 10, and this 10 on the clamp, and then just wiggle it off, and that's it. Here's a stock pipe 23 CRF450. Alright, so we're putting this new exhaust on, and I figured there's got to be a clamp here, because the stock one does, but I figured out that it's just this bolt that holds it on, and you just don't even use this clamp because back in there is a thing to put a spring on, so if you get the full system, there'll be a spring right here to hold them together, but I didn't get the full system, I just got the slip on. So I guess we're just gonna bolt those two up, take that clamp off. But I think for 700 bucks, that's kind of not the best thing. New pipes on. All I'm gonna do is put that fender on and see how it looks and see how it sounds. New pipes on. It's got oil. First start.